So it's a new day and it's time for a new workshop today. I'm heading over to the Food Network and the Taste Made India's office for this second workshop. But let's first have some breakfast. I'm really excited because yesterday the buffet was really good. Let's see how it is today. I've ordered a rava masala dosa and it's looking really crispy. I can't wait to dig in. Also the orange juice which I had ordered yesterday, it was really amazing, so I've ordered it again today. So I've ordered another rava masala dosa. It was really good, and till then I'm enjoying some meats similar to yesterday, as it will take a little time to get the masala dosa. Here, and this is my first time in such a room. All the makeup equipment and everything else. I think this is like a green room or something. We're going to start the workshop in a few minutes and I'm really excited because this is one of my favorite topics to cover. Let's see how it turns out. This is the set, guys. Just found out that they are going to do a makeup as well. I had no idea. This is the first time that anybody is going to do makeup on me, but I'm sure that it's going to turn out great. It'll help me, you know, hide these scars or just like some pimples. So the makeup is all done and it's time for lights, camera and action. So guys, the workshop is done. It was really wonderful. You can check it out at starttobake.in if you want to register in future and attend this workshop. And I think the makeup artist did a really good job. I'm happy with this. This is the first time that I've applied any makeup on my face. But it was not bad. It was a very good experience. Now let's see what we have in store for today's vlog. The next stop where we are going is Crawford Market. My Bombay trips are always incomplete without going to Crawford Market, and I love shopping here because there are so many great equipments and ingredients for my baking as well. Now let's go in. This is Crawford Market. It's one of the biggest markets in Bombay and they have a lot of shops. Try to bargain here if possible. You will get a very good discount as well. They have some really cool and exotic vegetables here. I'm going to buy a lot of them. For example, some fresh herbs as well as some zucchini. I think zucchini is available in Nagpur also, but I think they have a lot of variety here, as well as the rates are really low. So I've taken some kaffir lime, some bird's eye chili and some jalapenos, some rosemary, some thyme and some oregano. All these cost really less, guys. The total is around 150 rupees, which is quite great for this amount. So I'm also taking this Thai mix. It has small brinjals, it has bird's eye chilies, some Thai basil, lemongrass, galangal and kaffir lime leaves as well. It's quite great for just 60 bucks. So we purchased a few things from Crawford Market. This time I did not buy a lot of stuff because I have a lot to carry because of 2 workshops. And now I'm going to go to the railway station to drop Devendra, who is working with me for the workshop. And then I'm going to meet someone really special. Just wait and watch. आधा मिलेगा क्या? ठीक है, एक दे दो मलबेरी. So we have purchased one box of mulberries. They cost 100 rupees and they are really fresh. I'm just going to try one right now. Let's try this. Very good. Very good. So Bhaiya is saying that the black ones are really sweet and the red ones are little sour. So you can just keep them for a day or two and they'll get better the next day.
Mass wala.
No. We also did some Christmas shopping because Christmas is coming and we want to create a lot of videos for you guys. All of this costs 200 rupees and I think it's quite great. So I've dropped Devendra off and now we are going to meet someone special like I told you. If you have any guesses, feel free to comment down below. I'm going to meet a chef and she's one of my favorite chefs out there. I'm very excited to be honest. It's like a fanboy moment for me. Look at this view, guys. Oh wow. So guys, look who we have here with us. Like I said, this is a fanboy moment for me because I'm meeting her for the first time. I don't need to name her because you know her already.
Fangirl.
Yeah. No.
Have been seen.
Yay.
Yum.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. Will you try? No. So this is the strawberry one. Did you like it?
If I had the second bite,
Thank you,
I
chef.
usually leave it after a program.
So guys, it was lovely meeting Chef Amrita Raichand. She is one of the best chefs out there. I've met a lot of people, but I think she's hands down the sweetest person I have ever met. She offered me one of her cookies which she made specially and it is so good. It was like eggless and it had no maida, but it was really amazing. So it was a wonderful experience meeting chef and I think I'm going to head over to some other places today and then I have a flight back to Nagpur. Bandra, but we're taking the sea link because it's quicker and the view is also great. So the next stop for me is food hall. All of my Bombay trips are actually incomplete without food hall, similar to Crawford Market, because I shop a lot of groceries and food equipment and a lot of other things from food hall. So let's go inside. This is absolutely one of my favorite places in Bombay as well as Delhi. I also can get my truffle from here. This is one of like the best options for a lot of things. So food hall is humongous and I love actually spending time here. But the problem is that it's really expensive, so you can just get a little confused about what to buy. I personally have bought a lot of things here. Now let's see. So this is like my favorite section because they have a lot of pastas and noodles over here. Even here you can see that there are so many sauces. So this is an area which I absolutely love. Look at all those Asian noodles. So everything is set now. I'm just going to head over to the airport and let's see what we can have over there. Something interesting probably. So for dinner, I've taken a chicken tikka wrap with some cheese. This is from Cappuccino. Let's see how this turns out. reached my city now. I love my city Nagpur. I'm back to it. I'm going to just head over home and have some good night's sleep. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you liked my video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. So I've reached home and I just want to see my dog's reaction. But Nawab is really sick right now, so let's see how does he react. I'm missing him so much, so I just want to badly see him. Hello, Babu.